In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an offline presentation in Canva. Whether you're preparing for a meeting without reliable internet access, or just want the convenience of an offline presentation, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open Canva and locate the presentation you want to make available offline. Once you've found your presentation, hover your mouse over the file. You'll notice three dots appearing in the upper right hand corner. These dots are your gateway to a range of extra options and settings for your presentation. By clicking on these dots, you'll be able to access several features that you might not use on a regular basis, but today they're precisely what we need. After clicking on the three dots, you will see a menu that appears with different options. Look closely to find the option labeled Enable Offline Presenting. Clicking on this will activate offline capability for your presentation. It's a simple click, but it sets the stage for viewing your slides without needing an internet connection, making it perfect for those moments when you can't rely on being connected. When you enable offline presenting, Canva will start downloading the necessary resources for your presentation onto your device. Depending on the size and content of your presentation, this might take a little time, so be patient. Once the download is complete, your presentation is ready for offline use. You now have a fully functional presentation that you can display and navigate through smoothly without worrying about internet speeds or connectivity, all thanks to the offline feature. A tip to ensure everything runs seamlessly is to test your offline presentation before your actual meeting or event. Open the presentation without an internet connection and cycle through your slides. Doing this allows you to be more confident that everything is in order and will help avoid any surprises when you're presenting live. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that your Canva presentation is available offline and ready to impress your audience regardless of your connection status. This feature is exceptionally useful for business presenters, educators, and anyone needing reliability in their presentations. I hope you found this guide helpful. With Canva's offline presenting capability, you can be confident and prepared for any situation. If you enjoyed this tutorial or know someone who might benefit from it, please feel free to share this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.